Hi, here's more
medicine for all diseases.
We're here on our way
Greek.
to the ancient city of Corinth.
Even the symbol of
And
medicine is Greek. The snake
In Greece. And
entwined around her.
Here is the
staff.
This.
That's right, it's Greek. Was the ancient Greek symbol of medicine, the symbol of the healer god,
the Acropolis,
whose name was
on the top. See, the
Asclepius.
Acropolis is not just an Athens, there's several
Yeah.
Acropolis.
Asclepius, Esculapius in Latin.
We're learning about.
Maybe you don't know him, but I'm quite sure that you know one of his famous students.
English
Hippocrates.
language.
He is the doctor who wrote the oath.
Hippocrates.
Hippocrates, that's right. Ancient Greek doctor. And as the legend says, Hippocrates, was a student of the famous healer god. Hippocratic oath.
Okay, again, it's fascinating learning not just about Greek history, of course, but how important Greek history is to our language and our culture and our life. Here, take a look. This is
the ancient city of Corinth, ladies and gentlemen.
We got water running all along. We just passed
with nowadays archaeological
the
sites,
Corinthian Canal,
which is very easily recognized, from a landmark actually that we're going to see.
So come with us,
The columns from the steel, survived, as we're going to see. Temple of Apollo.
Greece.
The Temple of Apollo.